Hey guys, today I wanna show you most hidden gem beauty of Nuapada district is Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary. We just entering to the Wildlife Sanctuary and Sunabeda Ghat Road will be started. How can you reach to this place? So if you are coming from any place, you can stop in Komna. If you are visiting in night time, then take hotel. Even in Komna also hotel is available there. By taking left side of the Komna, then it will connect to the Biju Expressway. After that, it will make a U-turn and enter into the Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary Road. So as you can see, guys, we are trekking to the deadly mountain area. This time I came to this place with my friends and he only taking photography, saying hi to my viewers. Camera is vibrating. Sorry for that, guys. Why? Because we are climbing to very critical of hills, resort road. Until reach to the final destination, enjoy the music.
No matter what they say, try a million times. 7 days, 1,000 ways to believe in fairy tales. Don't think it's just a phase. Lately I've been dreaming, been praying for some love, one you get from high above. So bye, 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 bye to all the nasty vibes in my mind. I'm saying bye, 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 bye. I'm gonna leave them behind. I'm just living my life. No matter what they say, try a million times. My daddy told me keep on living your life. No matter where your days go, baby, don't you let go, let go.
Guys, you won't believe or not, I'm feeling like I'm in jungle safari. As you can see, the view is like kacha roads. Usually in jungle safari you'll see this kind of road. Here also might providing jungle safari. I'm not aware it. Hey guys, after so many struggle, finally we have reached our final destination. We faced very difficulty to find this place because there is network issues, but finally हम पहुंच गए अभी. Look at this view, guys. Oh my god.
Hey. পানি না ডাইরেক্ট পড়লে তো মরি করে আসতে পারবো।
Guys, look at this place. Amazing. If you want to come to this place, let me know. I can help you. व्यू तो लाजवाब है. This place is situated in Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary. अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो एसएस टूर एंड ट्रैवल को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं ये प्लेस को आने के लिए. और मेरे साथ बने रहिए, मैं पूरा नज़ारा दिखाऊंगा आपको. लेट्स सी गाइस. मैं पूरा पास से आपको दिखाऊंगा क्लोजर व्यू, बट बी केयरफुल गाइस यहाँ पे आने में, क्योंकि कोई सपोर्टेबल बनाया नहीं है यहाँ पे। Look at this guys, feel like Indonesia. I'm feeling like Indonesia. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है गाइस यहाँ पे आने के लिए, क्योंकि अगर कुछ छोटा सा भी मिस्टेक हो गया तो बहुत ही बड़ा दिक्कत हो जाएगा। बट मेरे व्यूअर के लिए तो इतना कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारा मतलब क्रोकोडाइल भी हो सकता है। Let me show you 360 view.
लागे काईते तुम अक्षर
Guys, look at this, so many cars standing here, so people are visiting here. Let me take you small watchtower. This entire area is coming under Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary. See guys, small watchtower is here. It's controlling forest department. Forest Environment Climate Change Department of Odisha, Sunabeda. Watchtower. climb to this watchtower at the top, you can enjoy the view. Same wildlife sanctuary. This is another waterfall. Super gorgeous. Within the same wildlife sanctuary, this is another waterfalls. I don't know exactly. This wildlife sanctuary. Be careful, guys. सेपरेटेड पत्थर आपस में मतलब एक ही पत्थर नहीं है, डिफरेंट मतलब सेपरेट सेपरेट है, तो केयरफुली उतरना। और ये रहा वाटरफॉल। वो गुडनेस, I can't believe this location is located in Odisha. In general, this kind of waterfalls